Micron is one of the semiconductor stocks I've been bullish on for 2025. And in this video, I'm going to highlight several catalysts that could lift Micron technology stock higher, both in the near term and in the medium term. So let me share these details with you here. So one of the catalysts is what's going on inside of the smartphone industry. And let's take a look at what the management team at Micron have to say about that. So Micron expects smartphone units to grow low single digits in calendar year 2025. So this means between 1% to 3% growth in smartphone unit sales in 2025 overall. AI adoption remains a key driver of DRAM content growth for smartphones, and we expect more smartphone launches featuring 12 gigabytes or more compared to 8 gigabytes of capacity in the smartphone industry today, which is the average. So let me break this down a little bit. What they're saying is small unit growth in 2025, 1 to 3%. Not exciting at all. But what is exciting is the increase in DRAM growth inside of each smartphone. So the average is growing from 8 gigabytes to 12 gigabytes, which is a 50% increase within smartphones. That is exciting. If you think about the overall smartphone industry, there are millions and millions, hundreds of millions of smartphones being purchased every year. And so within that industry, there's significant growth in the content inside. And that's being driven by artificial intelligence because people want more capabilities from their smartphones using artificial intelligence. And I've seen this not just from Micron, right? Micron is saying this, and I've heard similar commentary from companies like Apple saying that they're seeing their customers willing to pay for the more premium smartphone. Additionally, Qualcomm, which operates inside the smartphone industry, has said commentary similar to what Micron is saying. So I've gotten validation of this industry trend from several providers inside of the industry to confirm that indeed this is what's happening. Consumers are paying up when they are upgrading their smartphone to the next generation model or to the next model. When their smartphones are getting older and in need of an upgrade, they're upgrading to smartphones that have more capability, and they're willing to pay a higher price for that newer smartphone that has more capability. And that's a catalyst for Micron. That's a tailwind for Micron, given how much that industry impacts the company's sales. Did you know that over 90% of the people that watch my channel are not subscribed? It'll really help support my channel if you hit that subscribe button. And oh, by the way, one of the benefits of being subscribed is that I take requests from subscribers more often than I do from non-subscribers. So if you prefer that benefit, please subscribe to the channel.